next video will walk you through how to assemble your utility cabinet. Start out by laying your face frame down flat with the grooves exposed. Then slide in the side panels using the grooves. Make sure the toe kick is even with the face frame, as well as the top and bottom panels. Next, you will slide the shelves into the grooves. Be sure that they go all the way into the grooves. Now you want to use a clamp or a partner to hold your cabinet together while you slide the rear panel into place. Make sure it's flush with the top of the cabinet. Then connect the face frame with the top panel using the metal clips. Next, you want to use the pre-drilled holes to fasten down the rear panel of the cabinet. Then connect your face frame to the bottom panel using metal clips. After this, you want to slide in your cabinet inserts, then use metal clips to fasten them down. Once completed, take your hinges and use the pre-drilled holes to attach them to the face frame. Then fit your doors into place and attach them using screws. Finally, attach your door stops. Now, you have assembled your utility cabinet.